Don't be mistaken by this opening shot, don't think it's speed cubing, I promise, it's not. You've read the title, then click on the thumbnail and you know that I show Lego bots on this channel. These new wireless gadgets just leave me confused, they depend on a separate device to be used. And this kit's color scheme is just an eyesore. White, black, coral, teal, I can bear it no more. So I wonder what challenge could raise up the bar, instead of yet another lame wheeled car, and then I fell back on my old party trick, making cube solvers with bank-breaking bricks. A smartphone above takes a scan of each face, then finds the solution at a blistering pace. It streams every move to the hub through the air. The faceless align, one by one, with great care. And eventually it's done, not as hard as I thought. After all, this thing's got quite a lot. But wait, it's not over, there's one thing to show. A checkerboard pattern before we all go. I will speed it up, let's not overdo. Without the fast forward, I'd tune out there too. May this robot amuse your engineer's side. Please like this, subscribe, and enjoy the next ride.